Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to contact Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, search here Shopify contact and open this first link, shopify.com contact, and now select contact support. And it may ask you to log in into your Shopify account, and then you have to select your store. And now choose the way you want to contact with Shopify support. You can select this chat option, you can select email, or you can directly select the phone call option. So I'm going to selecting this one for now, chat with us. And now you have to enter your message, so click on chat with us. And now here I can easily chat or get support from Shopify. So this was how we can contact Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.